as you saw, I am repainting our door. The other paint didn't hold, like, there was some issues that we had with it, and I'm not sure if it was the door or if it was the paint. We went with totally different paint this time. We went with a paint that was specifically made for doors, so I think that helps it. We also changed up the color because I'm tired of the orange, and so we went with yellow, and we bought a new handle for it, which is the matte black, which is most of the stuff in our house is matte black. I am going to order a new peephole for it. I probably should just go ahead and do that. I found one on Amazon that was black, and the one that's on there now was like really messed up. I kind of painted over a little bit of it. It didn't fit right in the door anyways. I think when they put it in, they didn't do it correctly, so I like the yellow. It's taking a lot more coats than I thought it was going to, so I'm on the second coat right now, and I think we might have to do a third coat. I think I have about another hour before I have to do that. So I just been sitting here watching Stranger Things because that's out, and I think I'm on episode 6, so I have 2 more episodes to go. So I have 6 and 7. I have that. Oh, and then I bought a new camera, you guys. So I'm excited. I ended up getting a Sony ZV-1. So it's kind of similar to the Canon G7X. If you remember, I bought the Canon M50. I just had lots of issues with that camera. I was not a fan of it at all. I know a lot of people use it and they think it's great. My sister currently is using it. I let her use that camera because I was like, I'm not using it really. It's nice to use when I was filming like Plan With Me and everything, things that were gonna take a long time, because this camera here likes to overheat. I'm excited. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to watching Stranger Things and waiting for this door to finish up. As you guys, some of you may know, some of you don't know, I have hemochromatosis, which means that I have too much iron that gets like saturated in my blood. So occasionally I have to go down and get phlebotomies done. Today's one of those days. I went to the doctor last week, and then they put in an order for it yesterday, so I'm coming here today to get it done. Hopefully it'll be pretty quick. I hate doing them, but they usually go pretty fast. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So let's do this. All right, so all done. Boom. I feel like it's she put it a little tight, but we're gonna leave it for a while. But I'm gonna sit for a few minutes because I kind of feel like not bad or anything. I just feel kind of like not loose. I don't know how to describe it. So I'm gonna sit here and drink some water, I think, and then see how I feel. It was fast though, because it's like, it's 2:12, and I went in, it was 1:55, and I had to go to the registration desk first, and then that took like a couple minutes, and then I went back, and it was like they got me in, and it was good to go, so they're really fast. I think I'm good now. All right, let's do this.